On a resource in Business Central, you can add posting groups, and I'll just show you here how they're used to understand the relations of that. So if I go into a resource, and resource is the kind that I can sell or buy, and I've defined here a resource, and I can see I have a general product posting group and a VAT product posting group on such a resource. And let's see what they're doing. So the resource posting groups will be, or the posting group used on a resource will be the general product posting group and the VAT product posting group. And they're both defined on the resource cards in Business Central. This means when you use a resource on either a document or journals used for resource, they will carry those those posting groups into the documents and journals where it's possible to change them. And when you are posting, the general product posting group is used with the general posting setup to determine the sales account and cost accounts that you're using and the prepayment accounts, whereas the VAT product posting groups is used in the VAT posting setup to determine the, of course, VA accounts in the balance. So these are the posting setup on the resource, and note that you have no separate resource posting setup because it's not possible to have any balances on the resources. It's not possible to take up as an asset.